jackhammer. People are jackhammering the cement. They're jackhammering the cement. Arthur's jackhammering the cement. In Chicago, jackhammer. They're using a jackhammer to cement the to break up the concrete with the cement. Jackhammer. Breaking the cement up with a jackhammer. Arthur's jackhammering the cement concrete. On the road, jackhammering. 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 Jackhammering the concrete. They're coming to take the old concrete away and take it to the gravel pit where they crunch the old concrete up and they bring the new cement mixer in to pour the new concrete. Jackhammer. Jackhammering the concrete. They're jackhammering the concrete. Jackhammering the concrete. Jackhammering the concrete. So they're bringing in a front loader to load it up into a dump truck. They're jackhammering and putting the concrete into the dump truck. They're jackhammering the concrete. The front loader is putting the concrete into the dump truck and they're taking it to the gravel pit. They're taking it to the gravel pit where it'll be in the tumbler, or it gets tumbled. They're putting the new concrete down on the sidewalk in Chicago. Clifford is the one that's the contractor for the concrete they poured. They have the concrete truck come out, cement mixer, and they're pouring the new concrete. Pouring the new concrete. They're ripping the old concrete up. They're jackhammering the old concrete. They're jackhammering the old concrete. Concrete. Bilbo is hopping on the jackhammer the old concrete up. They're jackhammering the old concrete. They're jackhammering the old concrete down. Putting it in the front loader and the dump truck. Concrete in the dump truck, jackhammering the concrete up on the sidewalk. They're doing this to construction roads still. They're jackhammering the old concrete cement walk in front of Joe's bar. They're jackhammering the old concrete. Jackhammering the old concrete.